Nothing will give me more joy than to fulfill all the dreams of my predecessors and ensure that one, Ogun West produces governor. Two, I sit down the night before my departure from office. I actually sit down at a send forth that will be attended by my successor. And I also sit down proudly with all my former governors at the swearing in of a new governor of APC. On that note, permit me to unveil the person who we've all decided is truly deserving of being the next flag bearer of our dear state, the Senior Senator.
Thank you very much, thanks for the press. First and foremost, I want to thank God Almighty for this day, and I want to say that I thank the Excellency of the Governor of the State for providing leadership at this point in time. I want to equally thank all the leaders of the party who came out in their numbers today during the APC State Caucus meeting to witness this epoch-making occasion. I want to thank them seriously for according the people of Ogun West this opportunity to produce the next government. And I want to from there thank my brothers, Ogun and Nasir Isiaka, I want to thank them for the role they play for us to have one candidate to represent us in the forthcoming election. I want to say that there is no winner and no loser here. We remain one indivisible entity, and we have all agreed to work together for one purpose. One, for the unity of our Central District, and by extension, for the unity of the people of Ogun State. And we remain that with all sense of purpose and sincerity, because Ogun State is bigger than every one of us. As for what are the intentions? The intentions are clear. This present administration is working very hard to ensure that Ogun State is on a very sound footing, both infrastructurally and economically. And for any sensible person coming on board, you know that you can only consolidate on the good work of the achievements of this administration and take it to the next level. So for the people of the state, if eventually we are marked for 26, I can tell you that it's going to be a new dawn. And I can tell you that the good work this administration have put in place will consolidate on it and they take everything to the next level. So I sincerely thank the party, the APC, endorsing me as the consensus gubernatorial candidate of the party. And I can assure you I will not let them down, and I will not let the people of the state down if eventually I come through February 6th. The most important matter, one thing we are here is to see that the entire Ogun West, we are going to speak with one voice. There is not going to be any disunity whatsoever. And we use this opportunity to call on all our supporters to show their soul, and that we are not going to allow anybody to take advantage of this process, to start singing or doing anything that can bring about some disunity among us. So starting from tonight, it remains one indivisible entity, and we are going to speak with one voice from now on till then and beyond by the grace of God.
Thank
you, sir.